Impact of GST on small businesses and startups in India. Positive impacts. 1. Simplified tax structure. GST replaces multiple indirect taxes with a single tax, simplifying the tax structure for small businesses. This reduces compliance costs and administrative burdens. 2. Input tax credit, ITC. Small businesses can claim input tax credit on taxes paid on their purchases. This helps reduce the overall tax burden and improves cash flow. 3. Level playing field. GST creates a level playing field by standardizing tax rates and procedures across states. This benefits small businesses by reducing tax-related distortions and promoting fair competition. 4. Expansion opportunities. With the removal of interstate barriers and the introduction of a unified market, small businesses can expand their customer base beyond their local markets more easily. 5. Boost to e-commerce. E-commerce startups benefit from simplified tax procedures under GST, leading to streamlined operations and improved compliance. 6. Enhanced credit access. GST registration provides small businesses with a formal identity, making it easier for them to access credit and financial services from banks and financial institutions. Negative impacts. 1. Compliance burden. Initially, small businesses may face challenges in understanding and complying with GST regulations, leading to increased compliance costs and administrative complexities. 2. Technology adoption. GST compliance requires businesses to use digital platforms for filing returns and maintaining records. Small businesses may incur additional expenses for technology adoption and training. 3. Impact on cash flow. Small businesses may experience temporary cash flow disruptions due to the requirement of upfront payment of GST on purchases, even if the sales revenue is yet to be realized. 4. Cost of transition. Transitioning to the GST regime may involve one-time costs for small businesses, such as software upgrades, accounting system changes, and tax consultancy fees. 5. Competitive pressure. Small businesses may face increased competition from larger firms that have better resources and capabilities to adapt to GST requirements more quickly. Mitigation strategies. 1. Education and awareness. Small businesses and startups should invest in educating themselves and their employees about GST regulations to ensure compliance and minimize errors. 2. Technology adoption. Leveraging technology solutions such as GST-compliant accounting software and online tax filing platforms can help small businesses streamline their compliance processes. 3. Cash flow management. Small businesses should plan their cash flows effectively to manage the impact of GST on working capital requirements. Timely invoicing and prompt collection of receivables can help mitigate cash flow challenges. 4. Seek professional advice. Seeking advice from tax consultants or chartered accountants can help small businesses navigate the complexities of GST and ensure compliance while minimizing costs.